Hey, what's up, y'all? It's B. Spencer 5th Gen. The real name is Brandon Spencer. And today I still have a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro LCV6. So I did some modifications. So I just made about 421.3 horsepower at the crank. Give a big shout out to Christian Reyes and Joseph for Camaro Motorsports for helping me out or hooking me out. So I still have but right now about 183,388 miles. So still running good. So I did a tune-up, so I still have a good spark plugs. Make sure it is replaced. So I didn't get it. The initial coil. So well, yeah. Sorry about that. But right now I still have the C28 replica wheels, and for the 20-inch wheels, 20 by 10 for the rear, and 20 by 11 for the rear. 20 by 10 for the front, and 20 by 11 for the rear. So still have the wickerbills. So on with Z28 with the wickerbill add-ons. Still have the Rev 9 spark muffler axle back, and right here. Still got the tinted tail lights and the carbon fiber Chevrolet emblem. And still got the roof spoiler. I like that. I bought them off of eBay as well. Icon Motorsports. Oh, let me get out of there. I can't even get out of there. Still have the Resonator deleted. Right now I'm at. I'm on 93 octane. It's been switched up from 87 to 93 octane. So no E85, no turbo or supercharger, just normally aspirated LFX engine. Once again, just made about 421.3 horsepower and the crank. And I just cleaned the air filters or make sure it's maintenance. This is all I need is a basic tune. That's it. It's being built as a daily driver. Can't do nothing crazy. I don't do no donuts, no speeding. Just have a lot of fun. I'm taking it to work, to church. I go to church every Sunday, so I've been had this car about 8 years now. I did some modifications. Well, let me see. I did an SS front bumper with a Z28, the front splitter. It's just like the Camaro Z28 itself. Still have the carbon fiber covers. Well, over here, let's take a look at the side of the interior. Hold on. See right there, 183,388 miles, y'all. Still running good. Got my oil. Make sure get your spark plugs, new spark plugs put on, oil change. Right here, got the carbon fiber cover and the automatic shift knob. Right here, cover. The rest of these cover the carbon fibers. These emergency brake, and this one right here is a cover right here in the back. This one, This one. And this one. And also, I just spray painted it black. Say goodbye to silver, and make sure everything is sporty. Let's see this here. Yeah. Follow him is Camaro Motorsports. And I'm gonna give you IG, Instagram, Camaro Motorsports. Make sure you follow him, y'all. Yeah. Well, yeah. Anyways, I still have the Sparkle seat. I mean, my bad. Sparkle on there, and as well. Oh yeah. I still have the both catalytic converters on the driver's side. On the passenger side, I have 4 casts of it. I don't want to go too loud, so the cops could pull me over and give me a ticket. So I don't want that too loud. So no bubble. I don't want no pops and bangs or bubble tunes. So because I don't want that to happen to my motor. So try to be careful or avoid it. So I drive regularly. I don't do no speeding, no racing, no donuts, no drifting. Make sure you look good as a daily driver, y'all. Right now, I use Shell V Power, 93 octane only. Only use Shell V Power. No Techron, no Chevron, no Exxon. Sunoco, no other gas stations. Only use Shell V Power. Yeah. That's all I need is about 421.3 at the crank. To be honest with you, but I always recommend Camaro Motorsports. So he's a true mechanic. He hooked me up. He's a true mechanic, y'all. So I believe in him. So yeah, let me start that thing up. Hold on, let me close the thing up. Still have the remote control start, so just save my money up for maintenance. Let's go. Excuse me, y'all. Let me put that down. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I had to make a stand for it. Sorry, y'all. It's a rubber lemon, by the way. Well, that's about it, y'all. That's all I need is a daily driver. Let me know what y'all think. Comment, rate, subscribe, favorite, share. Follow me on Instagram. It's B Spencer 5th Gen. And TikTok is B Spencer 5th Gen. So, give you a big shout out to follow him on Instagram. In the description is at Camaro Motorsports. He'll take care of you. No other shops, just Camaro Motorsports. Christian Reyes is a true mechanic and a tuner, and a professional tuner. So be safe, be careful. Remember, y'all, keep your tires down, you heard me? Respect. God bless y'all. Thank you.